Are you heading off to college soon, but still not exactly sure what major, let alone career, is right for you? Are you creative and a great storyteller? There are so many jobs out there and majors that can prepare you. Take the first step. Let's find your major if you want to entertain and engage through storytelling. Hey Bobcat Nation, I'm Anya. If you're creative and looking for a career that's hands-on, where you can entertain and engage an audience, there's so many jobs out there that need people like you. Ever think about all the visuals and info coming your way every day? Watching the games, scrolling social media, making a purchase on Amazon, reading a billboard, following politics, binge watching the latest hit show, or conferencing with your grandparents. All of these and more are things we all do every single day. But did you ever stop to think that every bit of that is researched, strategized, produced, and facilitated by communicators, and that you could be one of the people bringing all of that to audiences? The Quinnipiac School of Communications offers a variety of majors that explore all aspects of storytelling. Majoring in advertising and integrated communications gives you the skills to build a company's brand strategy by blending an eye for art and creative skills with things like psychology and business to actually sell something and tell a company's story to the world. Are you always up to speed on the latest social media trends or lead when managing a crisis? Then think about majoring in public relations. This program builds the reputation and voice behind an organization. If you want to help companies tell their story visually in a wide range of formats, then a graphic and interactive design major will give you the tools to apply art to business. A major like film, television, and media arts helps you learn the tools of the trade to work with media, whether it's viral TikToks, Netflix series, or feature movies, while a major like media studies helps you analyze all the latest trends. Share your passion and make a difference telling compelling stories that inform and entertain with a journalism major. You will take courses that will provide a solid foundation for reporting, writing, and storytelling across many platforms. At Quinnipiac, classes are taught by industry experts with a curriculum that changes as the market evolves. Beyond the classroom, there's so many opportunities to strengthen your skills and hone your storytelling craft. The agency, Quinnipiac's in-house ad agency, gives you the chance to put your creativity to the test, working on real ad campaigns to support companies like Lego and Peanuts. If you're looking to gain hands-on experience working on film or a television set, you can get involved day one in Q30 Television's weekly shows or making movies from start to finish with the Quinnipiac Film Society or the annual 24-hour Film Fest Challenge. If you're interested in a career that allows you to entertain and engage people through creative storytelling, there's so many opportunities for you. To learn more about the programs at Quinnipiac that can help you take the first step, click here. Go Bobcats!